Hello guys, Huawei recently announced their new P30 and P30 Pro smartphones. Last year P20 has been ruling the smartphone industry with its fantastic camera and outstanding performance. With that expectation, Huawei launched the new P30 series this year. As a good thing, this new smartphones are also up to the consumer expectations. Now, let's look at some of the new features of the P30 series. Both smartphones are having OLED screens. In addition, P30 Pro has a curved display. This screen has a 570 nits of brightness and supports more colors than the previous generation. Next, both have the same processor, Kirin 980 with dual NPU, which can give an extraordinary performance while gaming and other works. Then, M30 is having 6 GB of memory and M30 Pro is having 8 GB of memory. M30 has 3650 mAh battery and supports 25 watts Huawei supercharge. M30 Pro has a 4200 mAh battery and supports 40 watts Huawei supercharge. Also has 15 watts wireless quick charge and reverse wireless charging. Next, P30 has 3 rear cameras and P30 Pro 4 rear cameras, but both of them are fantastic and captures wide-angled shots with best quality. With these cameras you can also zoom up to 50% large. Both of them have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Final thing is the operating system. Both has Android 9, which is also referred as Android Pie, with the support of Huawei inbuilt OS, EMUI 9. If you are willing to buy, you buy the Huawei M30 at starting price rate of $799 and M30 Pro at a starting price rate $999. Full review on Huawei P30 and P30 Pro will be uploaded soon on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.